Looking for a weapon that packs a punch without the legal headaches or the loud bang? You're in luck. Today, we're counting down 15 of the most effective weapons that don't rely on traditional gunpowder. From air-powered arrow rifles to electromagnetic blasters, these tools are perfect for self-defense, home protection, or even hunting, all without needing a firearms license. Whether you're recoil-sensitive or just a tech enthusiast, these non-lethal and non-traditional weapons prove that serious stopping power doesn't have to come from a bullet. Let's dive in, starting with number 15. Number 15. Canine Soda-Powered Surprise. It may look like a party trick, but the Cannon is more than just a novelty. This Cotwoo-powered launcher can shoot a standard 12 Oz soda can over 100 yards. Yes, really. Using a proprietary gas tube system, it propels lightweight projectiles vertically without crushing them. Whether you're impressing your friends or testing your aim, this launcher delivers excitement with every blast. Even better, you can 3D print your own ammo and customize your shots. While it's not lethal, being hit by a flying can at full pressure is no joke. For around $300, it's a fun, creative, and surprisingly powerful tool, and a unique way to defend your backyard. Number 14. Wasp 3D Crossbow Pistol, DIY with Bite. If you're into home projects with real-world utility, the Wasp is your weapon. This 3D printable crossbow pistol lets you fire 6 mini bolts using heavy-duty rubber bands or crossbow limbs. It features an ergonomic grip, cocking lever, open sights, and dual Picatinny rails for adding optics. Though it's compact, it can hit targets with precision up to 15-20 meters away. There's even a kit that includes everything except the printed parts. The Wasp won't kill, but it stings hard. Whether for home defense or backyard fun, this little DIY device proves that you don't need gunpowder to make an impact. Number 13. Saber Pepper Launcher. Compact and controlled. Lightweight, easy to handle, and entirely non-lethal, the Saber Pepper Launcher is ideal for home defense. This 68 caliber Cotwoo-powered pistol fires pepper powder projectiles at up to 350 feet per second with an effective range of 60 feet. It comes with 7 live rounds, 7 practice rounds, 2 Cotwoo cartridges, and a soft carry case. No recoil, no license, no loud bang, just pure deterrent power. Adjustable fiber optic sights, a rubberized grip, and safety mechanisms make it user-friendly even under stress. If you want simple, straightforward protection that won't escalate a confrontation, the Saber is a solid choice. Number 12. PB4SP M11 Rubber Gun. Tactical sting at close range. This high-powered rubber bullet pistol is no toy. With a muzzle energy of 91 joules, the PB4SP, sold as the M11 in the US, is designed to stun, break bones, and stop threats within 5-10 meters. It uses an internal battery to activate its laser sight and electrical priming system, ensuring it's always ready to fire. It doesn't have a safety. Once loaded, it's live. The PB4SP is also cartridge-specific, preventing misuse or misfires. Though not lethal, it's serious self-defense in a compact frame, and one of the most practical alternatives to a live firearm in close quarters. Number 11. RSX-7 Doomsday Slingshot. Precision slinger with serious power. The RSX-7 isn't your grandpa's slingshot. This crossbow-style beast fires up to 40 steel 8mm ball bearings or a single crossbow bolt with impressive accuracy. The front handle adjusts to vary power, and a Picatinny rail allows for scope attachments. At nearly 10 pounds, it's a sturdy platform capable of hitting soda cans from 300 feet away. It's shipped in 3 separate boxes and raises eyebrows in legal circles. But it's a favorite for enthusiasts who want unconventional firepower. Whether for survival kits or just pure backyard muscle, the RSX-7 delivers a punch that's hard to ignore. Number 10. Mission 4 Cotwoo Rifle. AR feel, non-lethal firepower. Built to resemble the AR-15, the Mission 4 rifle is powered by a Cotwoo canister and fires 68 caliber hard plastic or pepper rounds at 325 feet per second. Originally developed for law enforcement, this civilian version includes flip-up sights, a vertical grip, and M-Loke rails for attachments. It comes with 2 19-round magazines that can be linked for fast reloads. A built-in ASA valve keeps your Cotwoo pressurized and ready at a moment's notice. For anyone who wants an AR-style platform without the legal baggage, Mission 4 is the smart, responsible alternative for home defense. Number 9. Burna SD Launcher, the pepper-powered sidearm. Resembling a standard semi-auto pistol, the Burna SD fires 68 caliber pepper or kinetic rounds without using gunpowder. Cotwoo powered and fully legal in most areas without permits. It's designed for quick deployment and non-lethal self-defense. With a range of up to 60 feet and minimal recoil, this launcher gives you peace of mind without escalating violence. Its intuitive safety, quick reload magazines, and ergonomic design make it accessible for all experience levels. If you're looking for something reliable, easy to train with, and legally accessible, Burna SD hits the sweet spot. Number 8. Benjamin Bulldog 357 Big Bore Compact Frame. The Bulldog is a sleek, lightweight, .357 caliber air rifle capable of taking down big game. With a pre-charged 3000 PII tank, it delivers 5 powerful shots per fill. The 28-inch barrel is paired with a built-in baffle system for sound suppression, and Picatinny rails allow for scopes and bipods. A side lever reversible for lefties makes cycling smooth. It even supports air bolts, allowing arrow-based hunting in legal states. The Bulldog proves that air rifles aren't just for plinking anymore. They're serious hunting tools in a compact, modern package. Number 7. Canine Coil Gun. Sci-fi firepower, real-world readiness. Welcome to the future. The Canine is one of the first commercially available coil guns, firing electromagnetic projectiles at up to 2,400 rounds per minute. Each shot hits over 140 feet per second, thanks to its precision microcontroller and rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Charging takes less than an hour, and you get about 500 shots per cycle. While it won't match the lethality of a real firearm, its speed and style make it a top-tier option for non-traditional defense or geeked-out home security. It's compact, futuristic, and a blast to shoot, literally. Number 6. Javelin Pro. Stealthy, powerful, and modern. The Umarex Javelin Pro takes air archery to the next level. Ditching Cotwoo for a PCP power plant, it launches 170-grain arrows at 370 feet per second. With a 4,500 PII tank and regulated output, you get 25 consistent shots, 15 of which stay at full power. It features M-Loke slots for accessories, a Picatinny rail for optics, and a no-hassle Foster-style fill port. Flat dark earth highlights give it a tactical look. For pest control, stealth hunting, or recoil-sensitive users, this airbow hits the mark quietly and effectively. Number 5. Umarex Airsabber Elite X2. 2 arrows, 1 deadly shot. Don't let the air-powered part fool you. The Umarex Airsabber Elite X2 is a serious hunting weapon. This double-barrel PCP airbow launches full-length, 376 grain arrows at a blistering 450 feet per second. What sets it apart? You can fire 2 arrows in rapid succession with surprising accuracy. The 4,000 PI tank delivers up to 25 effective shots per fill, making it one of the most efficient airbows available. Its ambidextrous, all-weather stock and textured grip offer stability in any condition. And an integrated pressure gauge keeps you in control. Whether you're targeting large game or need a powerful, quiet defense tool, the Elite X2 gets the job done fast, clean, and without gunpowder. Number 4. Hotsan Harpoon, arrow slinging powerhouse. Made for serious hunters, the Hotsan Harpoon is one of the most powerful air-powered arrow rifles in existence. It fires standard 20-inch crossbow bolts at 600 feet per second, delivering up to 325 foot-pounds of energy, enough to take down some of the toughest animals in North America. The 500 EC onboard air tank gives you 10 hard-hitting shots before a refill. Designed in a bullpup configuration with a synthetic stock and adjustable cheek rest, the Harpoon is built for control and comfort. It includes storage for spare arrows and a versatile mounting rail for optics or iron sights. If you're after performance that rivals or even exceeds crossbows, the Harpoon is your weapon of choice. Number 3. Air Force Texan LSS-50CF, the king of air rifles. In the world of big-bore air rifles, the Air Force Texan reigns supreme. The LSS-50CF model fires 620 grain slugs at 620 feet per second, generating over 800 foot-pounds of energy. That's enough stopping power for any big game animal on the planet. The Texan uses a 490 EC carbon fiber tank rated to 250 bar, delivering 3-4 high-powered shots per fill. Its precision Lothar-Walther barrel and crisp trigger enable pinpoint accuracy, while the rifle's modular design allows customization for any hunting scenario. For those who want raw power without gunpowder, the Texan is unmatched. It's not just an air rifle, it's a statement. Number 2. Genesis Arms G12 LL Shotgun, the less lethal beast. Built on the AR platform, but chambered for less lethal 12-gauge rounds. The Genesis Arms G12 LL is the real deal. It's optimized for beanbag and other less lethal munitions, yet it retains the feel and rugged reliability of a tactical shotgun. Constructed from 6061 aluminum with a free float M Loc handguard and full-length Picatinny top rail, it's ready for any accessory you throw at it. The 6-position stock provides a customizable fit, and its high-visibility orange color ensures quick deployment under stress. Whether for home defense, law enforcement training, or crowd control, the G12 LL is the top-tier solution when you need to stop a threat without going lethal. Number 1. TC4 TC68 Carbine, the AR-style home defender. Taking the top spot is the TC4 TC68 Carbine, the ultimate non-lethal alternative to an AR-15. Cotwoo powered and at .68 caliber, this carbine launches pepper balls with up to 40 joules of muzzle energy. That's enough to neutralize threats without taking lives. Featuring an 11.8-inch barrel and a detachable 20-round magazine with optional dual mag coupling, it's designed for quick reloads and tactical familiarity. Each Cotwoo cartridge can power up to 200 shots. Available in semi-auto and select fire configurations, the TC68 combines versatility, stopping power, and an intimidating presence. If you want a home defense weapon that commands respect without legal complications, this is it. And there you have it, the 15 most effective weapons that don't rely on traditional ammunition. Whether you're a hunter, a prepper, or someone looking for legal and powerful self-defense, these tools offer serious options. They're innovative, reliable, and often surprisingly affordable. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Give this video a like if you learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe to Alpha Gun Review for more next-gen weapon content.